Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that Wi-Fi and cellular bars not appearing in the iPhone home screen. Here I am going to show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Reboot your iPhone. For that, launch Settings app. Next, find and tap on General. Now scroll down to bottom and tap on Shutdown. Drag the slide to power off slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait for few seconds and turn it back on. Solution 2. Reset network settings. This process resets your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. For that, navigate to Settings. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. Solution 3. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series and iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.